Hello everybody, my name is Flavia Cusumano from Italy. I participate in the SEG Evolve 2020 with my groups of colleagues from the University of Perugia in collaboration with the groups of the University of Leoben, Austria. First of all, I want to talk about the SEG Evolve. SEG Evolve is a society of geophysical exploration led by Mr. Allen, technical coordinator, and Mike Forrest, technical advisor. They give opportunity to students from many countries to undertake a 6-month internship, learning and improving in the field of geology, geophysics, petrophysics, and engineering. They propose the professional program to work in these 6 months, where we have also some meetings with the expert of SEG Evolve, and at the end of the project, each group can attend the annual meeting held in Houston. It's a really great opportunity for students and with a great big society. Now I will show you a part of the project of the Mumbira group. Is a petrophysical part that I made with my colleague from Mexico, Carla Lopez. The area is in New Zealand, more precisely in North Taranaki Basin. We have 12 wells in particular. The first step for petrophysics is the QC, quality control, where we need to calibrate each parameters like porosity, permeability, resistivity, and so on. The second step, we have a logs provided that I could see. In the right side, we see the area of the wells. Why did we choose these wells? Because they are the most representative wells in the area. Deepest wells show hydrocarbon occurrences. In this slide, instead, we have logs. In the right side, we have a formation which occurs different lithology that are divided by horizons. Here we have a summary of stratigraphy and hydrocarbon occurrence. From the left to the right, we have a formation, the depth for each formation, gamma ray, resistivity, lithophases, depositional setting, QC occurrence, hydrocarbon occurrence, porosity, permeability, reservoir prone phases. Here we have Tangaroa formation, Tangaroa 1. Tangaroa formation, Tangaroa 1 provide a good quality of petrophysical parameter, V shales, total porosity, effective porosity, water saturation, permeability. Here we have an integration of well logs, core and thin section. How we can see, considering the depth of the wells and the depth of the core, we have an average porosity in the core 2 that is equal to 21.6%, and the kind of porosity is secondary intergranular porosity for the solution of feldspar. And the kind of lithology is a sandstone with arcosi with 10% of feldspar, measure 25% of quartz, 10-25% of clay matrix, and the other materials like mica, pyrite, and glauconite. The depositional sequence is typical to Bauma sequence, where from the bottom to the top we have a decrease of grain size. Each core 1, 2, and 3 correspond to core to thin section 1, 2, and 3. The last step is the hydrocarbon evidence in Tangaroa. The hydrocarbon, we have a seismic profile where we can see the Mumbria prospect and each formation, Tikorangi, Tangaroa, Turi, Waipawa, and so on. In Tangaroa, we have a very good gas. Instead, in Tapere member, we have a trace of oil, good gas, and fire good oil. Thank you so much for the attention, and thank you to SEG Evolve.